Slime Review, LimeSlime's Japanese vending machine.
Hi friends, today we are going to review this slime from LimeSlime's company. It is Japanese vending machine. I couldn't find any information about it online, but that is okay. I believe it is a snow fizz. Well, I'm pretty sure it's a snow fizz because I did have to open this one and add some activator to it because it's a little older and it was melted. So I added the activator to it and then I let it sit for several days to kind of come back to its original texture. And we'll see if that worked when we get into it. It came with these adorable little star glitters. I think there's some bunny heads in there too. Cute. And then it came with this absolutely adorable green tea charm. Look at that. That is so cute. I love it. So let's check it out. Like I said, I did add activator to this one, and then I let it sit for a bit, a few days, to come back to snow fizz texture. Let's do a scent test. Oh, that's really nice. I believe it's scented like Ramune soda. It's a Japanese soda that sort of smells like lemon lime, similar to Sprite or 7-Up, but sweeter. And yeah, it smells just like that, so I'm guessing that's probably what it is. And look at this cute little label. Oh my gosh, I love it. Alright, let's see if it's back to a good snow fizz texture. This is really nice. It's like a softer snow fizz. Oh, this is great. I like it a lot. It's a really nice soft snow fizz texture. The scent is pretty strong, but I do enjoy it. But if you're sensitive to scents, it might be a little too much for you. Snow fizz is not my favorite texture, but I do like it, especially if it's a well done one. And this one definitely is. Very fluffy snow fizz. I like it a lot. This is probably one of the best snow fizzes I've ever had. It is really, really nice. I enjoy the softness of it as opposed to some snow fizzes that are really scratchy. It's very, very fluffy. Alright, I'm going to rate this one a 95 out of 100. It is a really great snow fizz slime. I love it. I love everything about this slime. It's wonderful snow fizz. Really, really get excellent snow fizz. Highly recommend if they still make it. Bye, friends.